Another video for you guys. The Dragunov, my new gun, came in Tuesday. I didn't have my cameraman Taven to record for me, so I was like, I didn't really want to do a unboxing, but Taven's like, you should do an unboxing video. So we're gonna unbox this bitch. It's a big ass gun. Alright, let's just see. I can't read this out loud, this is information. The brand's Aftermath. It's all metal. Come up here, Taven.
I'm coming. I'm working
It's good boxing material, unlike all them other bullshit pieces of shit guns. Unless you're buying H&K or Elite Force, then it's gonna be good boxing. This clear one, right here, come here. This clear one right here, in Canada, you can just go up to a Walmart or a Dunham's or some sports store, and you can buy these ones for like $100. I paid $209 for mine because the dude hooked me up. Here's an Aftermath warranty. I'm not gonna read it out loud. It's just to tell me that I can return it in 30 days and shit. This is the Dragunov SVD, all metal. Some plastic. The handguard's polymer. The muzzle brake, plastic. The pistol grip, plastic. Trigger's metal. You got a cheek guard. You just go like this. You raise up your sights if you want to go far distance.